Saving for a down payment is the main thing that comes to mind when buying a home, but what's just as equally important is budgeting for closing costs. So what exactly are closing costs? Closing costs are a number of fees that are due when you buy a home that are separate from the down payment. They typically range from anywhere from 2 to 5% of the final cost of the home, and they range from things like title insurance, home insurance premiums, document preparation fees, and so forth. So for someone buying a $300,000 house, your closing costs could typically be anywhere from $6,000 to $15,000. If you're buying a home at a higher price point, obviously they could be more than that. As home prices are rising and more buyers are getting in bidding wars, it's more important than ever to make sure that you're budgeting for all expenses in the home buying process, including closing costs.